Sawadee ka! I am here at one of my favorite people's houses in the whole world, Stephanie, or Dr. Acho, she likes to remind me. Beautiful soul, has so much fun together all the time. So let's go do a Thai takeover.
Hi, Nikki! How are you?
Oh, I'm so excited to be
I know,
here.
this is gonna be fun.
Oh my God, I'm so
I'm
ready.
to tie things up.
Let's go tie things up.
Let's do it.
Oh, I love your kitchen as always.
Oh, thanks, Nikki.
I remember we were designing this.
I modeled almost everything after yours, so
love
it
it.
should look familiar.
Hi, Ashley, I haven't seen you in forever. Oh, what a nice surprise.
I know, surprise! You get a twofer, two for one deal.
So much fun. Let's see what we got going on. Ooh, wait, are we ready to have a party already?
I think so. You know, it's always a
Right.
party in this house, girl.
I love beautiful colors, but you know, I'm going straight to protein. You got me some options here.
I know. I didn't know. You know, I was gonna cook, and I said Nikki's coming over, so I'm not making anything.
I know one of your favorite dishes is something
What?
with chicken.
What?
Khao Mun Gai.
Yes. I love Khao Mun Gai. It's honestly the best thing ever, and I've always wanted to learn how to make it from you. So
I know, you have been telling me for like 10
perfect.
years.
I'm glad I have a chicken in there.
No joke. Like,
Seriously.
this is the household that I like to be in, ginger and garlic all the time.
Okay, shall I hold on to
Habanero?
it?
What? You eat these?
Yes, all the time.
With
If you don't-
everything.
If you don't have spice,
Yeah,
it's just not the
isn't-
same.
Yeah.
It's not the same.
Well, then we're gonna put these in there.
Let's do it.
Yeah, we're gonna need something to cool that down. With a cucumber.
So you know what, Nikki? I
Yes.
also saw in the store
Yes.
they had something called a Persian.
Yeah.
What's the difference?
Well, this one is more seedy. This one, you know what? The best way is we're gonna cut them both, and we're gonna have you try it, and then side by side. Yeah. Okay, let's get going. So we're gonna boil up this chicken.
Okay.
And then we're gonna season the rice before we cook it.
Okay. Well, how's the best way to wash your chicken? Like, how do you wash it?
I just rinse the whole chicken and just definitely get into like the crevices, because who knows where this chicken has been. In Asia, I can say, we love to wash everything.
We wash it too. So we just use water.
Sometimes you
mostly.
can use salt.
Sometimes salt, but usually
Should we
just,
salt this situation?
I mean, if you want to, but I want to do it Thai style.
Thai way. So I'm gonna throw the bird into the stock pot.
Okay.
But what I do want to season the soup probably with a little bit of garlic. Since I've been touching chicken, would you mind
Yes.
taking care of the garlic for
Sure.
me?
And how many cloves would you like?
Give me like about 3 cloves would be
Okay.
perfect.
So the last time we had Khao Mun Gai was a while ago. And so this garlic is just bringing it all back to my memory.
Already?
It really
It
is.
does.
I didn't realize how much garlic was
In
in
the
it.
dish, yeah.
So I'm gonna put these garlics in here, and then the beautiful chicken. And then let me grab a little bit of the sauce.
What sauce are we going to use?
The gluten-free, so it's not like super overpowering, and I like to keep the color of the soup also not too dark, because the regular one would be a little bit darker. Let that stock come back up to a boil, and then yes, beautiful. Okay, so now that the chicken's cooking, we'll make our rice.
Okay. And you know, Nikki, so when we make our stock in Nigeria, we usually put Knorr. It's like a seasoning cube,
It's like a bouillon.
like a
like
bouillon.
that.
Yeah.
What do you guys call it?
We call it Knorr.
We call it Knorr in Thai.
Knorr?
Does it spell K-N-O-R-R?
Yes.
No way.
So I hear Thai people say Knorr, and I'm like, Knorr,
What is
Knorr,
it?
Knorr. I
It's
didn't know it was
Knorr?
Knorr.
I would have never known. Do you have some?
I do.
Okay, let's put some in.
Okay.
Extra flavor.
I know, right?
So now the component for the rice, which is really key, is the ginger and the garlic. Let's do like 4 or 5 garlic cloves, just same thing with a peel, and just kind of flatten it out a little bit. Do you know how to do ginger? Just slicing.
Oh, that's easy.
Okay, give me like 4 slices.
Okay. Do you want the
Perfect.
skin on?
You know, because we're just gonna toss it around with rice, it's fine.
Okay.
We don't need to.
Okay.
One less thing to do. So this is just gonna flavor the rice. So now we are going to
Rice time.
Did I get the right kind?
You got the right kind.
Okay.
It's premium jasmine rice. It is the right kind. So we're gonna quickly rinse this. While I'm doing this, do you have some oil?
I do. Free pour.
Free pour.
right.
That's good. No, that's too much.
Oh.
Too much.
Free pour wasn't really a free pour.
I think we had like about 4 cups of rice. Let's do about 2 tablespoons of oil.
Okay.
There we go. The reason why we're going to season this rice first is so that it smells amazing. All the beautiful garlic and the ginger that you kind of helped put together. So we're gonna use that. Who wants to be in charge? We have 2 beautiful ladies who love to cook. At this point, we're just seasoning the rice, and then we're gonna transfer it to a rice cooker.
Okay, perfect. Because cooking rice on the pot is a no-go for us.
No,
It's too hard. I'm like, wait, is it ready yet? Is it not ready yet? Is it too hard? It's
okay,
too soft?
so the next question is, do you normally use a rice cooker in Nigeria?
Well,
Oh.
okay. So the seasoned chefs in Nigeria, like the grandmothers and like my mom and her
course.
mom, they don't use the rice cooker.
No.
But like the new age,
New age.
yeah, we gotta do the
Make it
rice
much
cooker.
easier.
Yeah, exactly.
Easier. So at this point, I'm adding, water to oil, so I want to be careful. There you go.
We know what's gonna happen.
You know what's going on.
Should we do it slowly?
We will do it very slow.
Okay. Oh, it's not that bad.
So we literally just put enough oil to release all the smell from the ginger and the garlic, tossing around in the rice, and then we're gonna cook this up.
So we're gonna take out the ginger and the garlic, right? When
I am
we're
not.
gonna leave it?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it and throw it all in the rice cooker and really let it like
Absorb.
Yes. Well, before we put it in the rice cooker, I almost forgot one thing, pretty important, some sauce.
Oh my gosh, yes.
It just smells so good.
Are we using the same sausage you did this?
I'm gonna use the regular.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we had brought over our chicken that's been boiling. Super simple. Let's, actually, can you put all the rice in there? And then we're gonna use this chicken stock and cook the rice with it.
Makes sense.
So the name Khao Mun Gai, khao is rice, man is actually like the fat of the chicken, and gai is chicken.
You said how many cups do we have?
So about 4 cups.
Okay.
So I think, ooh, get all that good fat.
Okay.
That's on the top.
And I'm gonna fill this up to maybe,
Just a number 4.
okay.
Okay, beautiful. So we're just gonna let that just keep simmering. The rice is done.
Okay.
Flatten out, and ta-da!
Easy.
So easy. Now we're gonna play with the sauce.
Yes.
Let's play with sauce.
Do you wanna use the same pot or you wanna use another
You
one?
don't even have to cook the sauce.
Oh, okay.
This is my shortcut. These
Okay.
are the sauces that I'm thinking of, and we're just gonna play. So let's put a little bit of black soy, and then I'll have you like kind of figure out how much hot sauce you want in it. I've never really played with habanero,
Oh, okay.
so you're gonna teach me a little something today.
Well, we just like it spicy, so I don't know if it's gonna be the normal Khao Mun Gai sauce.
But it's gonna be the one that you're gonna love,
That's right.
right?
That's really good. Can you taste heat?
I can taste heat. Maybe we should add a little more.
We are gonna add a little bit habanero and garlic too, so think about those layers of flavor into your sauce.
Maybe we should leave it alone.
Let's. So now that you've kind of played already with the portioning, let's fill it up halfway so we have
Okay.
enough for, because we got a lot of chicken, we got a lot of rice going on, and then you can keep going. That's good. Okay,
This is good too, Nikki.
isn't it good?
I don't know how
We
you
don't
made
have to
this,
cook
but-
with it.
At all.
How much habanero you want to put in?
Maybe like 1 or 2,
Sounds good.
since we're not cooking it.
Okay.
Okay, maybe 1. I saw
I
your
don't
eyes
know.
get
Let's
big.
do this size, like a medium.
Okay.
I was gonna say like it depends. Which one are we talking about here? Does cooking it release a different flavor? Because I know sometimes you're cooking chili. Tell me more.
Yeah, I think when you cook it, it's not as like sharp and in your face.
Yeah.
Right? It's like a
Tones it down.
Yeah, it tones it down, and it's a more enjoyable spice than like a punching spice.
That makes sense.
You know?
And then ginger, we're also gonna. Do you want to be in charge of ginger again?
Sure. Are we keeping the skin on this time?
And we're kind of wanting to take it off.
You want to take it off?
Is it too complicated for you?
It's not complicated.
So Nikki, when you cook, do you prefer using like the freshly minced garlic over the?
Absolutely, yes. And then nowadays you can get peeled garlic, fresh peeled garlic. So it's so much easier.
Should I chop it?
Yes, you
Okay.
kind of want to like do
Like
the
that?
same little mincing situation.
You want to do the mincing situation?
You can.
You're the professional now. I'll set it up for you.
Let's check on the chicken and see if the internal temperature is good. What
Okay.
temperature we're going for?
165.
Let's do it. Ready to try the habaneros?
Yeah, let's do it.
Like really, I haven't just, should I try one of these? Like the smallest one.
Nikki.
No,
Not the orange
not
one.
the orange. So I'm not going by size.
No.
What's the difference?
This one's sweeter. This is more tangy and hot.
We're gonna try the red one with you. But it's sweeter compared to the orange, right? It's not as sweet.
It's still hot. But
Yeah, it's not as sweet as like a red pepper.
You ready? I can feel the heat on my fingers.
You're right.
It does have good heat.
Sweeter.
It's sweeter.
It is sweeter.
It's not bad, right?
It's not bad.
You did the second one?
I did take a second
I'm gonna
bite.
do you too. Yeah.
But
It's spicy though.
it is spicy compared to
little
like,
kick.
Yeah, it hits you at the end.
it does hit you.
You want to go there?
Do I?
Do you?
I don't know.
Does she?
I want to try. I really want to
Okay.
try now. I'm
Really,
curious.
really thin.
Just a little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
There's also green habaneros, but we don't really use that a lot.
That's the hottest one.
It's hotter.
Yeah.
Not that bad.
It's not right.
This one has more of the habanero flavor that I'm used to, actually. Okay, how do you want to put the habanero into the sauce?
I think we could just dice it. It'll look pretty.
Because you guys like spicy.
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to go ahead and put the
Yes.
garlic and the ginger in there? And
I'll use this spoon that we didn't use to stir.
then we're gonna slice up some cucumber. Let's do a few slices to try, and let's cut inside to see the difference.
Okay.
Okay. Should we cut in the middle so they see the?
Oh, yeah.
Right.
middle.
Love it.
Yeah. It
Looks
has
about
like
the
more
same.
flesh.
Yeah.
This has more flesh. Yeah.
But this one looks more like deeper green.
Let's taste
Yeah.
it.
So which one are we gonna try first? The Persian?
I love Persian.
I love cucumbers. They're so refreshing.
How do you say cucumber? And is there another word?
Cucumba.
Cucumber.
Cucumba.
I love that. It sounds so pretty though. We call it tangwa. in
Tangwa.
Thai. Tangwa.
The Persian is so good.
Yeah. This
Right?
is for this one.
It's just good. It's still refreshing.
Yeah,
light.
it's just regular smegular, you know.
Right?
Let's go Persian.
Persian it is. Let's do it. Let's plate this up. So the rice is done. Can I have you go ahead and... Oh.
That looks good.
I can see the ginger and the garlic.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that looks awesome. While you scoop us some beautiful rice, I am going to slice up this chicken.
That looks good.
Look, it's like falling
Oh my gosh.
apart.
Yes.
You want to be in charge of the sauce?
Okay, I'll do the sauce.
Let's get into this, ladies.
Oh, you're doing a fork
Thai
spoon?
style.
Thai style?
Thai style.
Okay, let's do it Thai style.
Isn't it so much easier?
It is. Okay, ready?
Let's go.
Oh my gosh,
So good.
so good. I love the chicken skin too.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming. I know. This is great.
appreciative.
You definitely tied things up.
Definitely tied things up today. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Would love to hear from you in the comment. If you've had this dish before, if you haven't, or if you're going to make it, I would be so excited to see your version. Tag me and all. ขอบคุณค่ะ
This is really good, Nikki. The Thai takeover experience was incredible. Obviously, it was like 5 ingredients. It took, less than an hour.
Yeah.
And we literally have a meal for a whole family. I really learned a lot, not only about like the Thai culture, but also about different foods and different pairings and how cultures just intersect. I mean, some of the things that they use in Thailand, we use in Africa.
Nigeria, yeah.
So it was really cool.
I'm such a huge fan of Thai food, but this was like super, super easy. I didn't even know you can make something this good, this easy. So I really, really enjoyed it.
I mean, something so easy as using the broth from the chicken just in the rice and it all ties together. It was just the simplest process. And that's something that I'm definitely gonna use in our cooking. Just use the same ingredients to make the flavors it makes sense. I didn't know the sauces were so versatile. We literally used 2 or 3 of Nikki's sauces. We didn't even need salt because it was all in the sauce.
I really like the fact that we didn't have to cook the sauce. Usually whenever we're making dishes, we always have to cook the sauce. And that, you know, adds extra time. But this was super easy. I'm loving it.
Yeah.
I'm loving it, yeah.